Let me take you guys on the journey. See, this is how I only go alone. I walk alone. No bouncer, no police, nothing. Small them. And I go to carry bands, carry everything. See me. I'm alone. I know they fear all this daddy. I know they fear. But now when I think they are going to carry security, because people don't so fight me. I don't want to say that to don't fight people. Now people to fight me, and now people to look for my trouble. Like, bro, everybody don't fight me. Everybody don't have issues with me. I mean, I make issue with all. So we no go do person bad. So to unlock your Louis, maybe I will get one pistol. I need pistol. I take it. I need pistol, guys. Guys, I go need pistol. Cause you go on a joke. We count on you, guys. I need pistol, guys. See this one now. If I say I get pistol, I will just give one for it. I swear so much to go do. I'll collect license for a gun. I saw you go don't dey my car only. Because now what's they call them first attack. They go give me first attack. Now me, I don't guess or keep I don't guess anything for body. And person they fight people every day. And even people they fight me every day self. No even understand. When I would fight me, we don't get anything. I only grow, I don't have anything. Don't be fighting me. Leave me now. My hobby is I know they agree. That's my own. I swear to my see guys see the car where I won't get. Hey, I lie you. I lie. My hobby is I know they agree. That's my own. I swear to my see guys see the car where I won't get. Hey, I lie you. I lie. Cigarette. I mean, give me a cigarette. Take me a cigarette. See my clothes. Alright. I saw they press my bed. Only me alone, bro. Yay. SIB. That one the SIB. Yeah, deep in my team. I swear. The change when I thought I get it, the change I used to get this car. Guys. Hey, yeah. 100 meters. Hey. 100 meters. Small picky wey get left foot, I be. Come on, give me small picky wey get left foot. SOS. Somebody help me see. I'm 2 minutes, man. Sench, I love you, bro. I'm meeting Sench in the UK. Trust me, we're going crazy, nigga. I don't know body we got. Oh my God. Sench. You see this Snapchat? I don't know how to use it too. I swear, so I know how to use Snapchat. I think I could sell my Snapchat. They don't say Yahoo boys here, now they collect Snapchat. Man, I go buy my Snapchat now, I beg. Price my Snapchat, I want to sell. Price me, I want to sell my Snapchat. Just $5,000. Give me $5,000, now give me my Snapchat. They say that they make money, We know Shiba. Bro, I did not see it. Huh? You know what? I want to sing Central C song. I go use Central C song. Go to talk. So I go play only the beats. I go to talk. Let's do this.